Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do a Google Chat on your iPhone. So here, first thing we have to do is just make sure that we already installed a Google Chat application. We just need to go into the App Store or the app library and make sure that you have an application with this type of symbols. We just need to click and open the Google Chat, and after that, this is the look of the room of Google Chat itself. So this is the looks. If you want to start a new chat, you just need to go by clicking the new chat button on this down right corner here. Okay, just click it, and now you just need to type the email of your friends that you want to chat to, or if you ever chat it before or chat them before, you just need to click it. So here I already have a friends that I want to chat to, and now the next things that we have to do is just type about what we want to send to our friends. So just need to type it here. For example, like saying hello, and say more things like let's go to park. And after you finish, just need to send it, and that's all. That's the way how you do Google Chat. So if you find out this tutorial today quite useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.